This is the glass elevator at Southpark Mall. Security standing right outside the escalators up on 2 by this elevator, so I have to use the GoPro, so I'm sorry about the quality. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Perfect, made it. Luna? Here it is. Here it is. Perfect. Does she want to press 2? Or?
Sure. You want to hit it? Hit it, buddy.
Go ahead and press 2. I got the door, don't worry.
Thanks.
There we go, now. You're welcome. Don't mind me, I'm just doing a little elevator documentary. 3,500.
I can see something down there.
Yeah, what can you see?
I can see stuff.
Stuff. What kind of stuff?
Kind of something that's on.
Here you go, you have a good one. Going down?
Wait for them to go.
Get a quick cat view.
Ready?
Nice cat.
Let's go. Thanks.
You guys going down? Come on in, I got the door, don't worry.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh, she keep having to lift down.
No, I'm just doing a little elevator documentary for my school.
Oh. What are you trying to report about?
Just how they run and stuff.
Oh.
So how they run, the mechanics and all kinds of stuff.
You got us on there?
What? No, I got you guys off it, don't worry. You guys have a good one.
You still think for the shoot. Have fun.
Thank you. Already on 2, I'm gonna add you as a security officer starting to work at the elevator now. Incognito with this now. Literally incognito. So much back row. We're adding more right up here. There it goes. And that'll be it. Thank you for watching.